Yuna from Oz here. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're well. I'm feeling well and I'm really excited because I've actually received some items in the mail that I can use in my journals. I'm not a big one on doing unboxing and reveal videos, but I certainly do buy quite a lot of supplies. Just can't help myself, especially at the moment when things are on special. So these are boxes of postcards. I got 4. I thought they were extremely well priced for what they were, and the reason I bought them was I saw a YouTube video of a lady using fairy postcards, and I thought, oh gee, I could use a few of them. I certainly have projects in mind. So I got these from the Australian bookstore called Booktopia. It's an Australian store. They do post overseas, but I always encourage people to support their own communities and their own countries. So these come from Booktopia, and like I said, I thought they were extremely reasonable for the price. I need to find some scissors so I can cut the covers. So I've got 4 boxes. I've got Wild Cards, which I assume has got birds and things. Robert McFarlane and Jackie Morris, 100 cards from the Lost Worlds and Lost Spells. I have no idea what they look like, but I'm really excited to open them. I've got the flower fairy cards. They've got actually pictures on the back, so I got a rough idea what they look like. I've got 100 postcards from William Morris collection. I love William Morris. I think his work is terrific. And this one I'm really excited about because it's 100 postcards from botanicals. And I absolutely love botanicals. So I'm going to open them. You can see they're all sealed. I've only just got them in the mail today. So I'm going to open them and we're going to have a look. So I might do them one by one. So I might start with the fairies. I've got stuff everywhere at the moment because I've been working on many projects at once. It's just something that I end up doing. So taking off the wrapper, they come beautifully boxed. I received a huge parcel in the mail. I was quite shocked at how big it was, but then I really didn't know how big the postcards were because some postcards can be big and some can be small. So here we go. Oh my word, look at these fairy postcards. I won't take them all out. I won't go through them all because it'll drive you nuts, but aren't these just beautiful? Now they're genuine postcards, so you can post them, and they actually state on the bottom, estate of Cecily Mary Barker, 1923. Anyway, so we'll just have a quick flick through some of these. I like the way some don't have borders and some do. These are lovely, and they're probably 6x4. Let's have a check. Yeah, they look 6x4. So they're a good size. Lots of beautiful images, lots of different colours. I've got a sneaking suspicion I have seen these images before, but in a much smaller format. Anyway, they look terrific. Got 100 of them, so lots of fairy things to come. Boy, the boxes are sturdy. These are terrific boxes. Okay, so we'll go on to the William Morris. I do have a paper pad of his, a small one that I got. So William Morris, again, beautifully boxed. Wow, look at these. So I think there is about 24 different images in the collection. We'll just flick through a few of them. And again, lovely postcards. I particularly like these because apart from being nice and sturdy, you could actually make them into mini journals. You could use them for pockets, you could use them in pockets. Because of the patterns on them, you can actually cut them up without destroying the pattern, unlike the fairy cards. You certainly couldn't cut the fairy cards. Well, you could, but it would be a shame to destroy the images. So look at all these beautiful, beautiful images. Aren't they just terrific? Wow, these are lovely. Really happy with these. So that's the William Morris ones. We'll go on to these ones. Now I have no ideas what these look like because there is no, apart from the Kingfisher on the front, there is no preview of what these are. So they could be anything. But I thought if they're anything as nice as, they're obviously by Penguin, and I thought if there is anything as nice as the Kookaburra on the front, then I can't go wrong. So let's have a look. Ooh, there's a otter. So let's have a look at some of these. So these are called the Lost Worlds Collection. So obviously they're in neutral tones. We have a little spiel here at the front, little booklet. Oh my word, aren't they superb? Look at these. Wow. Well, I thought I was going to get excited about the botanicals, but these are really something else. That one stuck together? No, that's just, I think that was stuck together. It's not. Birds, trees, goldfinch, foxes, branches, ferns. Wow, these are really lovely. Wow, I highly recommend these. These are superb. A huge range of images. Heron, branches. What a terrific set. I'm going to have to spend the rest of the day with a cup of tea going through the images to have a look. These are really beautiful. These are really beautiful. Wish I'd found these years ago. And the last one, oh, there's the booklet. The last one I was excited about, but I actually think I'm more excited about the other ones now, was the botanicals. Love botanicals. Love all things nature. Trees, birds, creatures, flowers, plants, and anything in between. So, let's have a look at these. I really like the way these boxes are. Oh, these have all got their names on them. So I'll take a few, and they're sealed. Well, I'm going to have to take the whole, oh no, I'll just carefully. It's got a plastic wrapper on it. I've got a dog on my, who's trying to get on my lap. I'll just ignore him. Okay, so here are some of the botanical cards. Again, not really the kind of thing you could cut. You probably could cut bits off them. Nice sturdy card. Really lovely. Beautiful images. They look terrific. I can see lots of uses for these ones, but I actually think I was excited about these being botanical, but I actually think I like that other set as more as a favourite. That's not saying that these are not beautiful, because they certainly are. Anyway, so there's my purchases recently. So again, I got them from Booktopia online store, Australian bookstore. These are beautiful, but I really, really like these. I think those are catch of the day, just beautiful. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the reveal video. You'll have to subscribe, and so you can keep up with what I do with these. I'm really looking forward to using some of these. I've been planning to do a fairy journal for ages, and now I have some more ephemera to go in my fairy journal. These have just got my mind running in circles at the moment, trying to got all these ideas popping up of what I can do with them. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my little reveal of my recent delightful purchases, and keep a lookout for what I do with them. Take care.